Hi everyone, today we are going to read a story called All Kinds of Helpers. It says, read about the people in your community who help you and the different ways they help. So, do you think this is fiction or nonfiction? If you said nonfiction, you'd be correct because of the pictures. Okay, we're going to start together. Ready? Begin. All kinds of helpers. Ready? Begin. Every day people help us in many ways. To help means to give what is needed and useful. It also means to make things better. So helpers are the people who give us what we need and who make our lives better. Who are some of the people who help us? Ready? Begin. Families can be helpers. The people in a family love and accept us. They also help us in many ways. A family can include a mother and a father. This boy also has a big brother. His brother often helps him with his homework. His mother and father help him learn about the world. Ready? Begin. Teachers help you in many ways. In school, a teacher helps you learn how to read and write. A teacher teaches you such subjects as math and social studies. A teacher helps you understand new ideas. Ready? Begin. Sports coaches are helpers too. The baseball coach in this picture is teaching his team how to hold the ball. He talks to them and shows them what to do. Who taught you how to play a sport? Ready? Begin. Doctors and nurses help keep you healthy. You visit the doctor for a checkup or when you feel sick. The girl in this picture feels awful because she caught a bad cold, but the doctor will help her get better. Ready? Begin. Do you walk or take a bus to school? Either way, people help you get back and forth safely. Other helpers keep you safe too. Police officers and firefighters are always protecting you. Ready? Begin. Some boys and girls need a grown-up to talk to. Some groups match boys and girls with a grown-up who will be their friend. What a good idea! And it says at the bottom, a special group called Big Brothers Big Sisters helps some children out. Ready? Begin. There are many helpers around you. Families love you, and teachers help you learn. Doctors, nurses, and safety helpers keep you healthy and safe. Special groups help you in special ways. All of them give what is needed and useful. And at the bottom it says make connections. Who are the people in your community that help you? How do they help? Okay, friends, I hope you had fun reading this story today, and I will talk to you all later. Bye, everyone.